Today we have a quick video on how to sleep more comfortably after your knee replacement surgery. Now, there's a few things that you might have been told after surgery that are causing a lot of this pain and discomfort while you're sleeping, but also just the fact that it's hard to sleep after these knee surgeries because it is painful. So let's go into a few tips to help you get the most out of your sleep after these surgeries so that you can recover better and faster. Now, you may have been told that immediately after your surgery, you should not have a pillow under your knee, directly under your knee. Now that's true, especially for extended periods of time, because you don't want the knee to stay bent, right? You actually can, though, place a pillow right up under the knee with it elevated where the knee is still straight, but still supported, right? It does not need to be just under your heel. That's what a lot of people coming out of these surgeries, people are telling them, place a pillow just under the heel because they want your knee to be stretched into straight. But if you're just trying to sleep, you want some support there. And as long as that knee is still straight, it's not a problem. So you can rest easy, place the pillow a long ways under your calf, possibly just under the knee, but as long as it's still straight, you will be fine. And you also have the added benefit of keeping that leg elevated. Now, another question that I get a lot of times from side sleepers is when or can they sleep on their side after these knee surgeries? And the answer is yes, for the most part. As long as you aren't having any contraindications like an infection in your knee, you can sleep on your side on the non-operated leg. So if you had surgery on your left leg, you can sleep on your right side. The other point about this is what we just talked about is you still want to keep your surgical leg straight while you're sleeping. So you can sleep on your right side, put a pillow between your knees, and then keep your left leg, the leg on top, straight throughout the night. It's still difficult, but better than not just having to sleep on your back all night, or rather not sleeping. Now the other points are general pain management, which is taking the pain medication that has been prescribed to you by your doctor before you go to bed so that it kicks in while you're trying to sleep. Now, other parts about this are something like deep breathing exercises, relaxation, meditation techniques, trying to just get yourself as calm as you can before you go to bed so that you are able to sleep. And that's generally it. Those are the best knee replacement sleep tips that I can give. I know it's still really hard, but as long as you follow these directions, it should improve over some time and you'll get better function and strength, mobility out of your knee during your PT sessions as you go along because you are recovering from your sleep. I hope that helps. Thank you.